tayo sa Walk of Fame ni Michael Jackson.
Interesting lang.
Okay.
Maxwell must know it's very special.
Ito yung may delivery bot.
It's a $5 sale, guys. Come check it out. Everything's on
Gusto
sale.
mo ng coffee or something. Kasi Annette Bening. So, lahat tayo dito, guys.
How we doing, guys? Come check it out. We're doing a $5 sale. Everything's on sale for
Tayo sa
$5.
Hollywood.
Come check us out. Everything's on
Orlando
sale.
Bloom.
$5. T-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, only $5.
Okay. Tayo sa mga yan, si Darth Vader. Yan, si Darth Vader. Okay. Gusto magpa-picture sa mga Hollywood trophies.
Free photos, guys? Would you like a free photo?
There.
Are you taking a video of me?
How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?
Would you guys like a free photo? I can take it for you.
Oh, may Kobe. Kobe Bryant. There you go. It's Kobe Bryant.